Good day everyone, I Cadet Manalo Wari Ramboy and I'm here to demonstrate to you how to announce distress, urgency, and safety message. So let's go.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Motor Vessel Siho. MMSI 41234568. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel 1234. Our position is 14 degrees 35 minutes north, 120 degrees 58 minutes east. We are experiencing a serious fire in the engine room. The fire is not under control at this time. We have 12 persons on board, all wearing life jackets. We are requiring immediate assistance and firefighting support. We are preparing life-saving appliances. Mayday over. Pan. This is Motor Vessel Sifu. MMSI 41234568. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel 1234. Our position is 14 degrees 35 minutes north, 120 degrees 58 minutes east. We have engine trouble and our speed is very slow. We are unable to maneuver properly. We have 12 persons on board. At present, there is no immediate danger to life. We request assistance and technical advice. Over. Security. This is Motor Vessel Siho. MMSI 41234568. Call sign Delta Uniform Hotel 1234. There is floating container sighted in position 14 degrees 36 minutes north, 120 degrees 57 minutes east. The object is partly submerged and dangerous to navigation. All vessels in the area are advised to keep a safe at distance and navigate with extreme caution. Over.